And this is how it looks at the end of the show. Everybody's left. Should we take a walk through? So this was rammed full of classic cars. This is hall 3. Working our way to hall 4, where the Volvo is. There's a few cars left in here still. But it's a very quick turnaround. Now, I was in the traders hall, so I wouldn't be surprised if my car was pretty much the only thing left. I actually didn't make it up here all weekend. I wasn't feeling very well. I had poorly child all week. So, there's my car in the corner. It is the last car here. Everything is gone, apart from the Volvo. That's quite fun, isn't it? I might just have a quick walk down through here though. So yeah, I had a poorly child all week, which slowed down getting the Volvo ready, and then I became poorly myself. So I came up here on Friday when my wife got home from work, because I was at home with the boy, and I got up here about 3:30 on Friday afternoon. Missed the opening of the show, pretty much missed everything. And I did a couple of hours, and then I went home. I didn't come up here all weekend because I wasn't feeling well enough, which is not like me because I love this show. And yeah, so this is where all the traders were. Floor's getting all cleaned out. Volvo up there in the corner. Thankfully it'll start and drive and fire straight up. This is where all the sort of hog roast and pastry people were. Who's still here in this hall? We'll just have a little look from the top at the clean-up effort. Here you go, NEC, the day after the show. Everybody's gone. That's it for another year. Right, let's go and get my Volvo. Now that we're out the show, you can see this side a lot better. Couldn't really see this side at the show because of the way the lights were. So yeah, simple as that. The end is nigh. The evil Volvo, the e-Volvo. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it now. I'm definitely going to straighten up that wing though. Look at that. It's all bent in, isn't it? This wing needs to effectively pop back out, so I'll sort that out when I get home. There's my repair on the front wing, which has actually worked a treat. I don't know what to do with this car now. There's a large part of me that just wants to leave the skull on, remove everything else, and order the number plate G20 VAX with just the skull, all black. But I'm not completely sure yet. I know all of you lot are going to be like, oh Geoff, just keep the John Player side. It's a bit boring. I quite like the idea of just doing it real evil. I'm going to hang on to this Volvo for a bit anyway, so maybe it can have like a couple of different identities. I don't know. I'll rock around as it is for the moment, because it's cool. It is a cool car. Let's get the Bring the Chaos sticker off. Wonder who this Vitesse belongs to. I can have a little sticker on the back on it. Beautiful. Nice couple of cars there. Free sticker. There you go. Look, didn't even have to pay for that. Look at that. Beautiful. Manual gearbox as well. V8 with a manual box. Can't really be sniffing at that, can you? So let's get off to the motorway. Oh, there's a Vanden Plas. Vanden Plas. That's rather nice. Oh, that's an auto. Yeah, like those. Right, better get out of here before we get kicked out. I don't think I would get kicked out. I think on pack down day, everybody's just too busy like packing down to actually bother kicking anybody out. So, let's drive home. Pick the kids up in the evil Volvo. Think about the evil Volvo. It's really fun to drive. Go catch that Escort. There you go, look, he doesn't own that Escort. He just turned up and said, alright, if I collect a car. And he's gone for that one. Best way to make money at the NEC, right? Sell trailers. Turn up with 3 trailers, 2 on top of one, and leave with 3 cars. I'm only joking, obviously, but that has happened before. There has been cars that have gone missing from the NEC Classic Motor Show and from the car park. Don't know if any have been stolen from a hall, but definitely from the car park. Right, second gear acceleration, then onto the motorway. 3,500 RPM. Like, the car doesn't let you blow it up. It's quite funny, really. Now that'll do. Right. Let's go home. Thanks for watching.